The iPhone Ultra is officially set to be unveiled as Apple's first ever foldable smartphone. Apple has confirmed its major fall keynote event for September 9, 2026. The images show its widescreen form factor, similar to the Huawei Pura X Max. The rear houses a dual camera setup with both sensors placed inside a pill-shaped camera module. The wide display makes the iPhone Ultra appear like a smaller iPad mini. A hole punch cutout in the upper left corner is expected to house the inner selfie camera. The cover display features a centered hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. The volume buttons are located along the top edge, while the power button sits on the side. A dedicated camera control button is also visible below the power key. A 5.5-inch outer cover screen, 7.8-inch inner flexible OLED display, 4:3 aspect ratio. The Apple iPhone Ultra is rumored to be powered by the A20 Pro chipset and offer 12 GB of RAM. The batteries in question have a rated capacity of 1,921 mAh and 2,962 mAh, respectively, giving us a grand total of 4,883 mAh. The iPhone Ultra is expected to start between $1,999. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.